At the close of the 19th century, women held only 5% of medical degrees. Isabel Cobb was one of these pioneering doctors. She was the first physician in Indian Territory and a Cherokee Nation citizen. Born in 1858, Isabel was the oldest of 6 children. She recalled how witnessing one of her siblings' births influenced her decision to pursue a career in medicine.
The post doctor had to be called from Fort Gibson several days after the birth of my mother's baby because no doctor was in attendance. So you see, doctors were needed, and that was the main reason for studying medicine.
Isabel attended the Cherokee Female Seminary and taught at the seminary for a few years until it burned in 1887. In 1888, at the age of 30, she enrolled at the Women's Medical College of Pennsylvania. Following graduation in 1892, she completed an internship at the Staten Island Nursery and Child's Hospital, and in 1893 returned to Wagner County in the Cherokee Nation to practice medicine. Isabel Cobb was a frontier doctor who visited patients in their homes and did not always collect payment for her services. Specializing in care for women and children, Dr. Bell, as she was called, continued to practice until 1930 and died in 1947. Her legacy lives on today at Northeastern State University in Tahlequah, Oklahoma. It's the site of the former Cherokee Female Seminary and Isabel's alma mater. The Isabel Cobb Residence Hall opened here in the fall of 2016.